You heard from Manoj Tiwari there. He is one of the star netas of the Trinamool Congress, but there are many stars which have joined both the Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party in the run-up to these elections. In fact, Tollywood actress Sayantika Banerjee is the latest to have joined the political fraternity, the political fold. She joined the Trinamool Congress this afternoon. So are these actors only going to be crowd pullers, or are they going to be vote catchers as well? Here's a report.
With the bugle being sounded for the high voltage Bengal elections, seems like the floodgates have opened in the Bengali tinsel town to take sides and plunge into the political whirlwind. The latest star to start her political innings is Sayantika Banerjee, who has now joined the TMC.
ये फैसला आज का नहीं है, मैं दीदी के साथ थी पहले भी। आज आप कह सकते हैं कि ऑफिशियली मैंने साथ दिया है। दीदी के साथ रहने के लिए मैं ऑफिशियली अपना नाम तृणमूल कांग्रेस में मेरा लिखा जाएगा।
Sayantika is the latest in a long list of actors who have decided to pick sides in the heated Bengal battle. Actor Shayani Ghosh, known for hit films like Not Aboard, Not Out, joined the Trinamool Congress recently. And Shayani has made headlines in the past as well, particularly for her showdown with former Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy, who accused the actress of hurting religious sentiments for a meme she allegedly shared on Twitter. Actor Kaushani Mukherjee has also joined the TMC. She's had several Bengali hits like Parbonami Charte Toke, Kalir Kirti and Girlfriend. Kaushani is also very active on social media with over 1.5 million followers on Instagram.
ইনফোগ্রাফিকের মাধ্যমে পেতে পারেন। আর দিদির এই স্বপ্ন পূরণের দিকে আমরা 10 কোটি বাংলার মানুষ চলুন এগিয়ে যাই আর প্লে স্টোর থেকে ডাউনলোড করুন দিদির দূত অ্যাপ।
But the BJP isn't far behind. The Saffron Party is loaded with glam power. Payal Sarkar has chosen the Bharatiya Janata Party. Payal has had several hit films and serials like Love Story, Waqt, Lady Special, Jaume Raja Dilobor, among others. She also has a sizable social media presence with over 3 million followers on Facebook and 5 lakh followers on Instagram.
अभी मैं लोगों के लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ, तो इसमें ग्रुपिज्म का कोई सवाल है नहीं। ये मेरा अपना चॉइस है। ये मैं करना चाहती हूँ जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर मैं लोगों के लिए कुछ कर पाऊँ, और अगर मुझे लोगों का सपोर्ट मिले, लोगों का और आशीर्वाद और प्यार मिले।
Tollywood actor Shravanti Chatterjee has also taken the saffron route. With 1 million followers on social media, Shravanti is known best for her hit film Champion and is a popular name in Bengali cinema, having acted in films since she was a child.
অবশ্যই আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই বিজেপি মানে আমাদের ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টিকে যে আমাকে যোগ্য মনে করেছেন তাদের পরিবারের একজন সদস্য হওয়ার। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ যে আমি মানে আজকে সত্যি আপ্লুত। আর আমি অবশ্যই আমাদের মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী মোদিজিকে ফলো করি।
But the biggest star catch for the BJP is Yash Das Gupta. A household name in Bengal, Yash has acted in several hit films like Gangster, Bandhani and Basera. Yash's BJP entry also grabbed eyeballs because he's known to be a close friend of colleague and TMC MP Nusrat Jahan.
प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग है, ना वो मुझे कहेंगी ना मैं उन्हें कहूँगा। हर बात पे हमें सेम पेज में होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अलग विचारधाराएं हो ही सकती है और उस चीज़ की इज़्ज़त मैं करता हूँ और मैं भी आशा रखता हूँ कि वो भी मेरी उस बात की इज़्ज़त रखें।
The star war is on as BJP and TMC are going all out to woo Tollywood stars ahead of the big Bengal election. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.